Hi, Jordan. Hi, Jordan. Hi. How are you? How are you? Huh? How are you? Good? Are you good? Huh? Are you good? Hmm? Are you good? Why are you not sleeping? Huh? Why are you not sleeping, huh? Hmm? You not sleeping? Huh? Why you not sleeping? You just wanna play? Yeah, you just wanna play? Huh? You just wanna play? You just wanna play? You don't wanna sleep? You don't wanna sleep, Jordan? Huh? What you wanna do? What you wanna do? Huh? What you wanna do? You want some milk? Yeah? You want some milk? Oh. But you already drank enough milk. You already drank enough milk. Hmm? You already drink enough milk already. No? Not yet? Oh. Would you want to play with your brother and sister? Hmm? Do you want to play with your brother and sister? And you got the hiccup. You don't like the hiccup? You don't like the hiccup, do you, huh? Bless you. Got the sneeze. You got the hiccup. I know, it don't feel good, huh? Yeah, I know it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. What do you want to do? Hmm? What are you going to do? Hmm? What do you want to do? Huh? What do you want to do? What do you want to do, Jordan? Hmm? You just going to sleep there? Yeah. I know it. You got the hiccup. You got the hiccup. Who got the hiccup? Huh? Yeah? You say ABC? Can you say ABC? Hmm? You say ABC? Hmm? I know. Your brother and sisters are upstairs. You are down here by yourself. You are down here by yourself. I know it. They left you down here. They left you down here. You want milk? Are you thirsty now? You hungry? Are you hungry? Yeah, okay. Let's drink milk. Yeah, okay. Let's drink milk. Let's drink milk. Let's drink milk.